In today's lesson, I will be teaching another aspect of environmental hazard. But before we go straight to the lesson, do you notice that most crops in the market are grown using chemicals? Do you know the reason? Well, the simple reason is because our farmland has lost its fertility and it is gradually turning into a desert. And this is as a result of human activities such as overexploitation of the farmland, overcultivation of the farmland, excessive use of chemicals, bush burning, and name them all. And this will actually lead us to the lesson, which is desertification. Desertification is another example of environmental hazards. So let's quickly look at the meaning of desertification. Desertification simply means the gradual conversion of a fertile land into a desert. So when a fertile land gradually turns into a desert where there is no vegetation, they will say the land is passing through desertification. So let's quickly look at the causes of desertification. Among the causes of desertification is deforestation. We all know the meaning of deforestation. That is the cutting down of trees without a replacement. So that is one of the causes of desertification. Another cause of desertification is overcultivation of farmland. So when you farm a particular piece of land continuously, the land becomes infertile. Then overgrazing of farm animals on a piece of land continuously. Bush burning is another cause of desertification because when you gather your vegetation and set fire on them, they can actually expose the land to all forms of hazards. Another cause of desertification is overexploitation of forest resources. So this is another cause. Desertification can also be caused by climatic change. Then the major cause of desertification actually, or the natural cause, is drought. Drought is when a piece of land is actually very dry with little or no rain. So let's look at the effects of desertification. Among the effects of desertification is poor crop yield. Yes, when the farmland is actually infertile, you will not expect a bumper harvest. The crops that will be harvested in the farmland will actually be very poor because the land has no nutrients. Then the land will not be available for farming. Nobody will want to farm in a land that is not fertile. It will be a waste of time and energy. So this is a cause of effect of desertification. Then another effect is people will actually migrate to other environments, including plants and animals. So there will be low population in that environment. Desertification can actually cause soil erosion. Any form of soil erosion, be it water erosion or wind erosion, because the land is actually empty. So how can we control this problem of desertification? One way we can control desertification is the planting of forest trees or the planting of vegetation. And the planting of vegetation simply means reforestation or afforestation. So this is one way we can actually control desertification. Another way is the planting of cover crops. Cover crops are those crops that cover the surface of the soil. Then the planting of drought-resistant crop can actually help to control desertification. Then another way we can control it is by following the modern way of rearing animals to avoid overgrazing. These animals are kept in one place and food are provided for them. Then the provision of artificial water known as what? Irrigation to our crops. Well-planned irrigation skill. Then crop rotation is another way we can control desertification. Desertification occurs in area where there is little or no rainfall. Even here in Nigeria, some areas are prone to desertification. Those areas are the northern part of Nigeria where there is little or no rainfall. I'm sure we can list some examples of states in Nigeria that are prone to desertification. These states are very close to the Sahara Desert. I'm sure you have heard about the Sahara Desert before. So can we actually state those states in Nigeria that are prone toward desertification? So we are going to look at the map of Nigeria to pick out those states that are prone to desertification. Those states are found at the extreme north of Nigeria, including Kaduna, Katsina, Gombe, and some other states. You're welcome back from the class. I'm sure you understand the meaning of desertification, its causes, effects, and how we can control it. Well, don't forget to drop questions and comment in the question box below this page. Attempt your quiz, do your assignment. Until we meet in our next class. Bye for now.